Good morning, everybody. This might be the coolest duck hunt of the entire season. I am in Minnesota right now hunting a tiny flooded willow hole. Feels like I'm back in Virginia or somewhere in the deep south. We've had really high water all summer up here this year, and so got out scouting yesterday. I was checking some lakes and found a big patch of these flooded willows on the backside of a lake. So took the kayak back here, paddled around, put the Onyx tracker on so that I knew exactly where to come this morning. And I found this little hole here that had a bunch of teal and wood ducks in it. This should be a really interesting one for Leroy too. We've never hunted anything like this before, so should be interesting to see how he marks in this stuff. The only thing I'm worried about really is that I might be, oh, there goes a wood duck, might blow them up. They've been decoying into about 5 or 10 yards for the past 15 minutes, flying early as teal and wood ducks do. So kind of wish I had a cylinder choke in, but I'll try and be pretty selective with my shots. Someone else hunting out here. Didn't see anybody paddle in or walk in, but I don't think it'll hurt me. Should help move a few birds around, I think. Yeah, first 5 minutes they're landing everywhere except my hole right now. Plenty of tiny little pockets back in here for them to dump into, but maybe once we get just a little more light they'll be able to see the decoys a little better and work in here. Oh man, thought I for sure killed that one. Nice decoy though. Must have just been a little behind him. Sit. Man. All right, come on, Leroy. Tough one to find. Hope I hit it harder than I think I did. Oh yeah. Leroy. Good boy. Got lucky there. Giant flock of wood ducks. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Leroy's first wood duck retrieve. Birds just started flying absolutely everywhere. Leave it. Oh no! Leroy. Didn't quite pull in front of that one enough. Good boy. Oh, that's a beautiful drake. Unfortunately, I cut him in half just about. Gorgeous drake wood duck there. Fortunately, hit him way harder than I would have liked to, but should still be salvageable. Just love the colors on them. Those two could not have done it any better either. Seems like I'm one hole off the X today. They keep just dumping in there. Right behind me, probably 40 yards. But that hole is super thick. Really no open water in there. Just tiny, tiny little pockets, so I didn't want to hunt that one. They were really on this side of the willows too. So I don't know why they decided to move, but I think as we get a little sit. Oh. Leroy. Probably gonna go out here and help him on that one. Beautiful little decoy. I think I killed them both dead too. Good boy. Good boy. Leave it. Come on, dead bird. Leroy. Leroy, here. 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 Leroy, here. Here. Leroy. Back. Good boy. Good boy. Heck yeah. Waited long enough for those ones to get a little bit up and out so I didn't blow them up. Beautiful, beautiful little decoy. Kind of thought the teal were done flying. Hadn't seen any buzzing around in 10-15 minutes. Good boy, you got it. You got it. Oh, there we go. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Good. There we go. A couple little green wings. I'd love to see another flock of them do that. Sit. Sit. Leroy. Hope I didn't kill my GoPro there. Good boy. You got him. Good boy. Hold. Hold. Okay, leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Nice Drake. Drake blue wing. Oh, I love the blue wing patch on them. Another great decoy too. I think just having a little bit of light in here for him to be able to see the decoys and see the spinners makes a huge difference. Got another wood duck coming, I think. Yep, a little high. Leroy. Good boy. Well, last one of the morning. Another small little Drake green wing, probably first year bird, but there are ducks still flying. Sure, the wood ducks are going to be bombing back in here. They probably went out to a field real quick, so I'm gonna get everything picked up, start paddling out of here, and we'll wrap this one up here in just a minute. Well, got out of there in a hurry, and thankfully we did, because bunch of birds are still flying around, bunch dumped in right as I was paddling out. Just real quick to wrap this one up, I wanted to go ahead and show you my kayak setup right now. So got an Ascend H12. I bought this summer, wanted just a little bit of a bigger kayak since I was going to be hunting with Leroy a lot this season. I'm dragging a jet sled behind it. I think this is just the large size jet sled. So I got a dozen decoys in there right now. I can fit almost up to 2 dozen in there. And then this is a Momarsh dog stand, folds flat like this, and then I'll ratchet it across the back here, helps hold the decoys in. Just a good spot for the dog stand. Got spinners in there as well. This thing pulls really, really nice. And then back of the kayak here, just Leroy life jacket. Try to leave it pretty open for him. Here's the birds from the day. Couple nice wood duck drakes. There are coots buzzing around behind me, and Leroy really wants one. Couple nice wood duck drakes, blue wing, 3 green wings. So sweet little mixed bag. So stoked to get Leroy his first wood ducks. They are just the most beautiful ducks this time of year. And then up front, I just got a Shoddy Gear gun case, Shoddy Gear dry bag, water bottle. So it's packed pretty light right now. I'm sure later in the season I'll have to move some stuff around to fit a little more gear in here if I'm throwing a bigger spread or whatnot. But for right now, this works absolutely perfectly. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd really appreciate if you click that subscribe button. If you have any questions about the hunt, leave it in the comment section down below. Hope everybody out there is staying safe. God bless, and thanks for watching.